Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your YouTube channel to your Reddit account. So without any further ado, let's get started. To connect your YouTube channel to your Reddit account, first you have to copy your YouTube channel's link, and after that go to your Reddit app on your mobile phone. Click the top left button and go to your profile, and you'll see an option named Add Social Link above the post tab under your username. Click that and you'll see a lot of options, and you'll just have to click YouTube to label the link. You can add your channel's name, and after that, if you paste the link of your YouTube channel will be connected to your Reddit account after you click save. So that's how you can connect your YouTube channel to your Reddit account. Hope this video helped you guys. If this video was helpful, please like our videos, subscribe to the channel, and share our videos. Have a great day and peace.